Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Hairstyle Cutting Fashion. How are you friends? I hope all of you fine and happy. May God fulfill your life with happiness and prosperity. Dear friends, today my video topic is about most stylish, gorgeous, graceful haircut idea with good and hairstyling ideas that make you look awesome. I suggest to watch this video till the end. You will find all kinds of hair cutting ideas in our video. I hope you enjoy my videos. This haircut, please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel Hairstyle Cutting. So friends, if you want to watch my video about hair cutting, then watch my other videos and get more ideas about haircut like short haircut and hairstyle, jab length and medium hair. I will try my best to show you all the new hair cutting ideas in your video. If you want to get more ideas, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel Hairstyle Cutting and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the latest video about haircuts and hairstyle. If you all like this video, so please hit the like button. If you like this video, so please share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and subscribing our channels. In this video, I will show you the new hairstyles and new haircuts in our video. Please friends, support me and guide me and press the bell icon for more updates. I suggest to watch this video till the end. You will find all kinds of hair cutting ideas in our video. I hope you enjoy my video and this haircut. Please like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel Hair Cutting Style. Please let us know what topics would you like to see next in the comments below. Hairstyle Cutting, the unlimited ultimate destination for hairstyle inspiration, empowering women one hairstyle at a time. Our channel is all about hair. If you are looking for the latest hairstyle trend, then this is the place to be. From short hairstyles to messy bun and everything in between, we have got you covered. So sit back and relax and let us to help to the perfect do for your next event. This video I will try my best to something new styles for you of new hairstyles, more attractive and wonderful. All the hairstyles are very awesome and very perfect. All you friends, don't forget to support me and subscribe my YouTube channel. You can find hundreds of new design and hundreds of new ideas about YouTube channel. I would like to introduce about my channel. In my channel, I will give you the new and trending new hairstyles for all the women, men and ladies, which is about the latest trending hairstyles and personality more charming and attractive. If you are looking and fashion lover, looking for the latest new hairstyles, then this is place for you. So friends, sit back, relax and let us help you find the perfect do you for big events. In this video, you will see the amazing new hairstyle ideas. You are looking very beautiful and very attractive. All these hairstyles are also be put on the weddings and functions, informal functions. These hair